Is love after 40 a myth? Society may tell you that finding love and happiness becomes harder with age, but the truth is quite the opposite. Studies reveal that relationships in the later stages of life are often stronger, more fulfilling, and built on deeper understanding. Curious how older women find lasting happiness and love? Stay tuned, this will surprise you. 1. Confidence and self-discovery. One reason love after 40 thrives is confidence. By this age, most women have a strong sense of self. According to research published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships, women in their 40s and beyond are more likely to pursue partners who align with their emotional and personal values rather than societal expectations. 2. Emotional maturity. Older women have learned from past relationships. This emotional maturity allows them to handle conflicts with grace and focus on communication and connection. A study from the American Psychological Association found that couples over 40 report higher relationship satisfaction compared to younger couples. 3. Prioritizing happiness and boundaries. Setting boundaries becomes second nature. Older women prioritize their happiness and communicate their needs without hesitation. The result? Healthier, more balanced relationships. 4. Embracing the present. Another beautiful thing about love after 40 is a deeper appreciation for the present. The idea of forever becomes less rigid, and instead, there's joy in the here and now. Psychologists say this mindset leads to stronger bonds built on genuine affection. So whether you're 40 or beyond, remember, love is not bound by age. It's shaped by experience, understanding, and a willingness to embrace happiness. Have you experienced love after 40 or seen it in your life? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more insights and empowering content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out these related videos next. See you in the next one.